even if it's 80 years, 100 years, just give him a glass of this medicinal drink and his joystick will be saying good morning. Guys, welcome back to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video, like the title said, even if it's 80 years, 100 years, just give him a glass of this medicinal drink and his joystick will be saying good morning. This recipe is tested and trusted, 100% natural with no side effect. All you just need is just a glass of this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into this video. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, share it to your family and friends. Don't die in silence. Share it to someone out there that really needs this recipe. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. But before we get into the video, I have to finish this. The first on our list is alligator pepper. Alligator pepper works perfectly well to treat erectile dysfunction if you don't have any health related issues, because it contains lots of minerals, calcium, magnesium that is so beneficial. And here I have my bitter cola. So here in this bottle I have my coconut water. Coconut water is a natural remedy used by our forefathers. It's a natural alternative to Viagra because it stimulates and strengthens men's reproductive functions. It also helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. So we are going to start by peeling off the skin of our bitter cola. Bitter cola increases blood flow. It has numerous health benefits, not only for men, women, kids as well. So we are not going to be talking about that in this video. We are focusing on men's health. So I want to use this opportunity to appreciate my returning subscribers. You guys are the reason why I am here. You guys are the reason why Cheese Remedy is still in existence. I appreciate you all. I say thank you so very much and God bless you all. So we are going to go ahead to wash our bitter cola with a clean table water. Then you are going to cut your bitter cola into tiny chunks. So if you are coming across my video for the first time, I appreciate you so very much. Here in this channel, we talk about everything natural remedies, your health, your beauty, DIYs, and lots more. So consider hitting that red subscribe button and your notification bell, turn it on, so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. And don't also forget to like this video, share with your family and friends. The next thing we are going to be adding is alligator pepper, but I'm going to crush it off camera. I'm using about 10 pieces of alligator pepper. 10 pieces. I crushed it with my mortar in order to get the taste out of it. So this is the alligator pepper. All you just need is just to take out 8 or 10 small seeds depending on the quantity you want to make and crush it. So you are going to get a storing jar that has a tight cover. Then you go ahead and transfer your bitter cola inside your jar. Add in your alligator pepper. So the next thing you are going to be adding to this recipe is our coconut water. So if you don't have enough coconut water, you can as well mix it with water. So the next thing is for you to cover it up. Remember, you have to use a very tight cover. So you are going to cover it up and allow it to sit for at least 2 days to allow all the ingredients infuse properly in the coconut water. So after 2 days, this is how it is. The coconut and water is already kind of fermented with the ingredients together. So all you just need to do is just to take a glass first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This mixture has lots of health benefits that I'm going to be explaining in this video, so don't click away, sit back right there, so you will learn the numerous health benefits of those 3 ingredients combined together. So you can feel free to make it in a large quantity. So this drink is very medicinal. It works perfectly well. It will help to treat erectile dysfunction in men. It will also help to cure premature ejaculation. It will also increase libido in both male and female. It is also used to enhance good sleep. It also helps to lower blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar level. If you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to burn belly fat, this recipe is also a must try for you. If you are a nursing mother, it's very good for nursing mothers because it helps to promote lactation. If you are looking to conceive, then this drink is good for you as well because it will help to increase and improve your chance of conception because it helps to boost your ovulation. It also helps to enhance your memory. Like the title said, even if you are 80 years, just take this daily and you will see what will happen to your body. Everything about your organs will start working actively. God has so blessed us with nature that when we start abiding in it, we will say bye-bye to visiting hospital every day. So guys, with this drink, like I said, your joystick will be saying good morning. So I thank you so very much for watching this far. I really appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, clicking my video for the first time. I appreciate you all.